Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome to my channel. Today I get to show you my take on the new May 2021 Sheetload of Cards that is created by Call Me Crafty Owl. And for those of you who haven't heard of it yet, it's basically she puts together a card sketch, supply list, and a cut list, everything you need to create a certain number of cards. This month happens to be 6. And you can download these if you become a subscriber to her channel. She puts these out every month and they are amazing. And there is a team of collaborators who share their sheet loads at the beginning of every month, kind of how they put their own spin on that month's sheet load. So again, cut list, supply list, she makes it so easy for you. So this month, for this month, I used, it's a special edition this month. It's 6x6 for 6x6 paper. And so I used the Yes Please from My Mind's Eye, and it's designed by Jen Allison, really pretty creams and golds and blacks. And I just decided to make some graduation cards. It's coming up on the end of the school year, so basically, I kind of followed her sketch pretty closely. The only thing I think I did differently was I added a mat behind my sentiment piece here, just because I stamped my sentiment on cream and I didn't want it up against the cream cardstock card mat here. And then I also I added a little graduation cap die cut up there in the corner. And I did add some embossing, so my congrats sentiment is embossed with some black embossing powder. And then just an extra touch I made was to emboss the cream cardstock that I used as my card mat. It's kind of like a chevron pattern. And then I added kind of more of a glam touch with some of the gold mirror cardstock as my little mat to all the pieces. So I used black cardstock this month, and then on the inside I added some cream paper so that a message can be written and will still show up on the black. So I have 3 of this version, and then I flip-flopped, and so I have 3 where the plaid is kind of more of the background. So those are my 6 cards for this month. And again, please be sure to check out Call Me Crafty Owl's channel and subscribe so you can get a hold of this month's sheet load as well as prior month's sheet load sketches. And again, be sure to check out all the other collaborators in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed my graduation cards and got some inspiration for how you can use this month's sheet load. Thank you guys so much for your time, and hope you're all having a very crafty day.